Well, what do we have here? This is the Ledger Stax, and this is an e-ink wallet for crypto. Thanks, guys. This is an unexpected sample we just received, and we really do appreciate Ledger for sending us this sample. This is the more expensive of the two units they currently have with e-ink on them, so let's check it out. All the specs and all the other information is going to be revealed in the review video, but this is so cool. Not only is this a crypto wallet, this is the, I would say, second curved e-ink display we've ever had. The first one being the Sony smartwatch. That one's curved, and I guess we did do the DAS uncurved, but either way, splitting hairs, curved e-ink displays have been around for quite some time. E-ink has been showing off rollables and foldables and all sorts of stuff like that, but we've never had one this close in our hands for YouTube for a review. We've seen things on trade shows, prototypes, all that stuff, but this is really cool, guys. Look, you even get a tiny little folio wallet, it looks like. Oh my goodness, everything is so beautifully made. I gotta tell you guys, this is not cheap. I believe this ranges upwards of $600 for the unit package itself like this, but look at that. How nice to hold this in your hands. This is some solid material. The seams and the stitches and everything is just so perfect. The magnet snaps it all into place. You get a USB-C at the bottom. Let's explore the unit. Let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. What's in the box here? Welcome to Ledger. What do we have? How do we pull this out? What's happening? Do I have to take this tray out? All right, looks like we have the recovery sheet here, and this is multiples of documents, and just gonna check we need to hide anything so we don't show you the recovery phrases. Oh, well, it made the edit, meaning that it's safe. Don't share it, don't lose it, don't photograph it. This is some tangible analog stuff right here, guys. So what you would do is, if you want access to your crypto wallet, or you want to remember passcodes and phrases and stuff like that, you would have to write them down physically, pen to paper, and you should not / will not / do not share them with anyone, because then they'll have access to all your stuff. And that's the whole point of security, and the anonymity of it is that you got to have your stuff written down. We do have some documents as well here. We're going to see what this is all about. This is probably just some hardware stuff. Oh, there you go. So you get use, care. You have a little welcome sheet, new to crypto, your choice, all that stuff. And you have some little stickers here as well. So that's really nice. This is all packaged beautifully. Oh, look, the cable's in there. Sweet. So you get a USB cable. We're not going to open that up. It's just a USB cable. Let's look at the unit itself. Trust yourself. I hope to goodness there is something else on here that we can do, be it a notepad, be it a note. Obviously there won't be any sort of dictaphone technologies with microphones and stuff like that, because it defeats the purpose to allow more outside potential harm to your finances. So they wouldn't do any of that. But I really do hope there's something on here like a settings menu or a calculator, or just something that gives it a little bit more relevancy to us personally, because it is e-ink, but I mean, a couple of the guys here at the office do crypto, but for the most part, we don't do crypto very much. But these key gives you ownership. Oh, you get NFTs. Okay, yeah, Ledger Stax. Okay, Ledger Live Mobile. Oh, it looks like we have to do that, but we're just going to skip over that for now. We are going to skip everything. We'll do this all in the main review, of course, but we're just going to whiz by everything. Tap to continue, choose my pin. Sure, we're just going to go 1, 1, 1, 1. Don't steal our crypto assets, and confirm it. 1, 1, 1, 1. Man, this thing's responsive, and you hear a little click. Where's that sound coming from? It must come from either within the device itself, that they deem not that intrusive to the body sealant, that they don't need a speaker because it's coming out pretty well. It's little beeps and boops. And you have to set up as a new ledger. Oh man, here we go. All right, as a means to proceed, we had to go through all of the 23 passcodes, but that was just for testing purposes. Use Ledger Stax with the Ledger Live app to manage your assets. Look at that. You get the bind on there that actually has e-ink. That is so cool. We've never been this close to one in our hands before. Look at that. That is an extreme angle that e-ink screen is curved. I mean, we've seen the Samsung devices dang near a decade ago that had the edge technology that simulated this to a certain degree, but this one's straight up 90 degrees bent and further. It goes right around. Look at that. You get a little battery icon on the side too, and the little lock icon. Now, can this do anything else? I kind of hope so. I hope it has like a little notepad thing. So we have name, so you can set up your name. All right, well, that does have some sort of text input. You have about this ledger Stax. Okay, you have serial number, legal and regulatory information. We also have sounds. There we go. We have some notification sounds, tap sounds, and language change pin. Okay, so it does look like we got some stuff here, but you know what? We are going to leave this for the full review because we have some security things we have to look at. We have NFC, whether this can be utilized for even as a standalone NFC key card, and we tap it on the digital papers and stuff like that to unlock it. Can it be tapped to your phone? There's a lot that we just do not know about this unit because we just cracked it open. This is a brand new Curved E-Ink wallet for crypto, and I just think it is such a cool approach. It is a little on the pricey side. It's $600 approximately, so it's not an impulse item. You don't buy this just because you want a curved screen. I mean, I guess you could. You can do anything you want all the time, but it's more of a novelty for people outside of crypto. We think. We don't know if this has any other practical application, if it can be used as an access card or it can be used to store other information via the USB cable. This is all things we're going to have to find out for the full review, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Ledger Stax. Thank you so much to Ledger for sending us this unexpected sample. This is totally cool. We love e-ink, of course. It's our entire bread and butter, and we love curved e-ink, and thanks for letting us have the first opportunity to check this out.